In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up a password to protect your Windows computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. A password adds an extra layer of security to your device, ensuring your files and data are safe. For example, when logging in, you'd be required to enter your password. Like so, press sign in and the computer immediately unlocks. But with a password, it will prompt you to enter it first. To set this up, start by clicking the Windows Start menu at the bottom of your screen. Then go ahead and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side and choose Accounts. Next, scroll down a bit and find the Sign In Options section within the account settings. Click on that. Once you're there, find the Password section and click Add on the right-hand side. After that, enter your new password. Once you've typed it in, click Next and then Finish. Now, the next time you sign in, you'll be asked to enter your password. This will keep your computer secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. I look forward to helping you again soon.